This is a pork Kalderobo. Let's get to cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a Kalderobo. So this is actually a adobo and calderita together. So I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of soy sauce at least, and then 1/4 cup of vinegar. And then add some black pepper and then mix it and let it sit aside for 30 minutes. This is the stuff that I use. So in the pan I put oil, and then let us go into fry these potatoes until it's a little bit brown. Let us turn this over. This is a famous dish in Davao City, Philippines. Actually, I've been cooking my calderita in this style, but I don't use liver paste because I don't like eating a liver paste. So instead of liver paste, I paste my own ground chicken. But this time, my husband requests to put a liver paste over there. So let's try it. So I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm getting ready to fry the marinated pork. So I'm just turning them over until it is golden brown. So let us put this aside, and I'm going to remove this excess oil. And then I'm going to add some butter. And then a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to add my 5 cloves of garlic chopped. And then I'm going to add my half diced onion, sliced onion. Then I'm going to add my fried pork. Let us simmer this until it's fully cooked in a low medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce and another black pepper. And then now the meat is tender.
What are you cooking?
I'm going to add bay leaves. And then now it's time for me to add the liver paste. I use this kind. This is available in grocery store because I don't have a liver spread, a Filipino liver spread. But if you don't like to add a liver spread, you can paste your own chicken breast, which is I always do because I don't like to eat a liver spread. So I paste my own chicken breast. It's just give the sauce like a little bit, looks like a gravy. So this is available in local grocery market. It is a liver spread, but it's made out of something. It's like a chicken or duck or something. And then I'm going to add my tomato sauce. This is supposed to be ketchup, like a Filipino tomato ketchup. But since I don't have one, so I'm going to add a little bit of sweet chili sauce just to make it taste like a tomato ketchup. So that's only like a small can of tomato sauce. Then like a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce just to make it taste a little bit sweet. But in my own twist, in my own recipe, I don't use sweet chili sauce because I don't like my Kalderita sweet. But that's up to you. You can always adjust the way you want it. That's why it's called home cooking, because you can eliminate the stuff that you don't want in there. And then I'm going to add my fried potatoes and carrots, and then the bell peppers, and then I'm going to add my green peas. This is actually like you make the first step is adobo, and then the second step is apritada. Then I'm going to add a little bit of chicken flavor. You can add MSG if you want, but this time I'm going to add a chicken flavor. This is the reason why I paste my own chicken, just to make the gravy looks like this, because the chicken will add the flavor in there instead of liver spread. But in original Filipino cooking, they use a liver spread. Now I'm going to add like a teaspoon of salt. You can always adjust your taste at this point. And then let us simmer until the potatoes and carrots are tender. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese as I saw in the recipe, but you can leave it off if you don't have it. Don't worry about it. It's just a little bit creamy if you have this cheese. And then this is ready to eat. You see how the gravy is? That is how the liver spread does. The gravy is so, I don't know what you call that. You can eat this over rice. So let's eat. Thank you for watching.